Welcome to UNV Academy. I'm Maro from UNV International Business Center. The demand for Wi-Fi devices is increasing, which saves you from the complicated wiring and network setup. Today, we are going to show you the UNV 4-channel Wi-Fi kit. Let's check it out.
There are many wonderful products included in this kit. This is what it looks like inside. As you can see, this kit contains 4 Wi-Fi cameras, 1 Wi-Fi NVR, and accessories. All the devices in this kit use wireless communication, meaning there is no need for complicated construction wiring and it can be quickly connected through Wi-Fi signals.
Next, we will show you how to set up Wi-Fi connections.
First, let's power up the cameras. Then power up the NVR and connect it to a monitor via HDMI cable and open its GUI interface. The cameras will get online automatically.
Another feature of this kit is Wi-Fi cascade. Now let's do it.
Click Network, Wi-Fi AP, Wi-Fi Cascade. This function enables a distant Wi-Fi camera to use another closer camera as a cascade, establishing a strong connection to the NVR. We can support 3 layers of Wi-Fi connection, and the distance can reach up to 900 meters.
As you can see, Wi-Fi kit not only brings you quick network connections, but also extends transmission distance. It's quite good to simplify wiring and increase efficiency. UNV Wi-Fi kit, making wireless connection easier than ever.